Welcome. So, I'm here to talk a little bit about how to find a space in your home, in your garden, maybe in the hot tub. We're gonna find now a space where we can give a pause to life and bring the mind inwards. A space for self-contemplation, where you can avoid distractions and really pause everything, let the problems, the daily life, whatever is going on, just stop, have this time for yourself to contemplate yourself, your breath, and just be, appreciate who we are, this body, this mind. This is temporal, but it's nice to appreciate every single moment, just like a breath. So maybe in your house, in your living room, in the TV room, you turn your chair away from the TV. Like this, you don't distract with the entertainment on the TV. Maybe in the bathroom, if you have a hot tub, just lay down there, put the bath on, relax, take a pause. The bedroom, maybe even the kitchen, but avoid to cook before, so you don't have some smell to distract you there. So it's very nice, and I believe in my practice, sometimes the bathroom worked for me. As I say, there was a place where I could do pranayamas without waking up my baby, and where I cannot disturb the neighbors neither. So it's important to find a place where you can sit there just for a moment for contemplate, maybe practice some pranayama, or just close your eyes and say thank you. Be grateful for your life and aware of who we are or where we are at the moment. This body is temporal, right? So appreciate this moment here. Feel your body, say thank you. Your heart is beating there every time for you here. So it's nice. Take your time to observe it. So my suggestion today is to vibrate. Be like a sensor in your house. Which place is that for me? If it's not in your house, outside. Maybe you'll find a little corner there in the garden, maybe by the lake, by the beach. You know, when I'm talking to you now, you know exactly, your mind already pointed. So you may go there, study, is it actually the place for me? If you know vibrate, go search for it. And I'm sure day by day, the vibration there will increase. So every time you go there, easier. It's just like hypnosis. There is a hypnotic word someone say to you and trigger, you go there straight away. So every day, going deeper and deeper in your meditation there, or on your prayer, or just in your self-contemplation. So that's it for today. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. I am you, you are me. We are all one in essence.